Installing an air baffle. Align the air baffle with the guide pins and the edges of the node. Lower the air baffle into the node and then press it down until it is securely seated. For configurations with a drive cage, work through the following actions. If necessary, reinstall the flash power module and reconnect the flash power module cable. For configurations with a front OCP cage, work through the following actions. Make sure that the OCP cable is connected to the system board and then route the OCP cable through the front air baffle and reinstall it on the front OCP cage with screws. Reinstall the OCP module. Make sure that all the required cables are routed and connected correctly, and then reinstall the top cover. Reinstall the node into the chassis.